Hi everyone! Today I thought I would show you how I use my Instant Pot. I'm going to be making a bean and vegetable soup, and if you don't know what an Instant Pot is, it's an electric pressure cooker, and it is really helpful to have this in the kitchen because it cooks rice in under 10 minutes, potatoes in under 15, and dried beans in under 30 minutes. So I honestly just took a bunch of vegetables out of my fridge that I need to use, and I'm going to chop them up, throw them in the Instant Pot, and it's as easy as that. These veggies took me 15 minutes to chop. Okay, so I'm just going to rinse my pinto beans. Okay, now I'm going to start adding everything to my Instant Pot. So I've got 2.5 cups of pinto beans, cabbage. This is 2 carrots, 3 celery, and 1 onion. About 2 cups of yam and 1 red bell pepper. 1 tablespoon of garlic. Some no salt seasoning. A couple teaspoons of better than bouillon, and 7 cups of water. And now just stir the mixture. And I'm going to cook this on high pressure for 40 minutes. Make sure the seal is sealed so it keeps in the pressure.
1 hour later.
Once the timer goes off, let the pressure release naturally. Okay, this last part is completely optional, but I always like to add some greens to my soup or stew. So I'm just adding some chopped spinach. And I just had some leftover homemade hummus, so I'm going to add that. It makes it really creamy. And I also really like to add some lemon juice or lime juice to my soups or stews. It brightens up the soup without adding salt. So you may think this soup looks really thin, but it will thicken up over time. I'll show you what it looks like tomorrow. So this is what the soup looks like the next day. You can see that it has thickened up quite a bit. And I'm going to take this for my lunch today. So this is a really high nutrient meal that took me less than an hour to make. So just chop your veggies, throw it in the Instant Pot, and you've got a soup in no time. I hope you guys enjoyed this video.